Welcome to the project demonstration of brake failure indication system by using microcontroller. So in this version we are going to monitor the pressure of brake oil continuously through this pressure sensor, and that will be given input to the PIC microcontroller. And already we set the some set limit for the pressure. So whenever it crosses below that, so means it should maintain some pressure in the brake oil. So when the pressure like brake oil section pressure was decreases, so below 4 kilopascals. So in this version of the project we set the pressure for the 4 kilopascals. When it is below that, then automatically the system will on the red LED indication and the buzzer indication and alert message on the LCD screen. So when it is normal above 4 kilopascals, then green LED on as a status of so everything is normal. So through these LED indications we get the alerts along with the buzzer and visual indication on the LCD screen. So here we are using MPV pressure sensor to monitor the pressure from this brake oil pressure bag. So this green color bag we are presenting as brake oil pressure module. So whenever the pressure was less than that, as we get the alerts, and the whole system getting power supply from the 230 volts AC. So in real time we can go up to the 12, the system can work under the 12 volts either a bike or car battery. So here for demonstration we are providing 230 volts AC input to this transformer, so which will step down the 230 volts AC to 12 volts AC, and that is the input to this regulated power supply board. On this we have the three sections. One is the rectifier. So here we are using DB107 IC, so which is the IC version of full wave bridge rectifier. After that we will get the pulsating DC. So the pulsating DC input to this capacitor of 1000 microfarad, which will convert the pulsating DC to pure DC. And after this 705 regulator, so which will provide us the 5 volts constant power supply that has given input to our motherboard. So here we are using PIC16F72 microcontroller, so which is monitor the pressure from the A0 pin of this pressure sensor, and based on that we are going to trigger the outputs like LEDs C2 C3. Red LED and buzzer are connected at directly C2 pin parallelly, and LCD at B2 to B7. So let us see the demonstration. Before switching on the cage, lock the pressure bag. So clockwise rotation, lock, and fill the bag. So certain pressure, so that the system will came to know there is a sufficient pressure in the brake oil section. Right, fill it normally. Now it have full tight. Done. And now you can switch on the system. So initially there will be a welcome message. As of now we set the pressure for 5 kilopascals. You can pumping up to 8. Maximum is enough. So anti-clockwise of this rotation of this valve, so air leakage means the pressure is decreases. You can observe that. So when it is below 4 kilopascals, so you can see that audible alert through the buzzer and red LED indication. Again when it is normal, and same alert message on the LCD screen, low pressure brake fail indication. When it is above, again green LED indication. So through this visual indication, audible alerts and message alert on the LCD screen. Right. So after execution of the project, release a total air from the bag in order to pack it. So after total air released only, you can keep in the box.